Hi, I'm Mark with the NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com. We're going to have a little tech talk this afternoon. Today's talk is going to be on the Chamberlain family of operators. The Chamberlain Manufacturing Company manufactures garage door openers and related products under the brand name of Chamberlain, LiftMaster, Sears, Craftsman, Raynor, and over time there's been a host of other private label name brands that they've used. All of the parts and components that go into the operators are the same, and in most instances the part numbers for all of the components inside are the same also. So it makes it very simple for us to sell to you replacement parts. One of the high value, or not high value, but high usage parts that we sell is the control board. And the control board is known by different names. Some people call it control board, PC board, motherboard. By any name, it is the computer-driven type board that controls the functions of the operator. Specifically, it controls the open, close, and stop of the motor. It controls the radio controls, it controls the safety devices, and it controls the push button mounted on the wall inside of your garage. You can have a failure of the control board and lose any one of those four functions that I just mentioned, or you can have a catastrophic failure and lose all of four functions at one time. There is no definitive answer if asked what causes a control board to fail. The only thing I can tell you with certainty is we know that they do not like voltage spikes. And the number one cause for voltage spikes is a lightning strike nearby. So if your operator worked one day and it didn't work the next, and you've had a good old-fashioned thunderstorm, it's a pretty good indication that Mother Nature has taken out your control board. So the first thing that you have to do is decide, is it in fact the control board? The quickest way to do that is to consult your instruction manual. In the back there's a troubleshooting guide which will give you a number of tests that you can run on the operator, and you should be able to definitively tell whether the board is burned up or not. Once you know that it's a board, then you have to go about the process of selecting a new board. And I want to caution you that you don't want to buy a board because of what it looks like. Within the Chamberlain family of operators, they offer 40+ boards. So each board is specific to the operator at hand. So you got to do your homework and do it well if you want the outcome to be well. So what I'm going to recommend that you do is get a step ladder out, get up to the operator, and you're going to look on either the back of the operator or the side. In this case, this is a control board. This is a light socket. There would be a light in here, and in normal circumstances you'd have a light lens covering this. You remove the light lens, and if you look on here, there's a legend, and the part number is clearly printed there. The number for boards all start with 41A and then give you another set of numbers. So you want to find that number and record it. There's another board of a little different design. Again, would normally have a light socket over it and a lens cover of some type. And if you look there, you're going to see the 41A number that tells you what board number that is. Now, once you have found the part number, the next thing you can do, and it's the quickest and the easiest way to do business with us, is you go to our website, and next to our name there's a search area. Type the number of the board into the search area and press the search button, and the computer will do the rest. It should take you right to that particular board. At one time, or at this time, it's important to note to you that from time to time Chamberlain makes an upgrade to the board. And when they do an upgrade to the board, the last digit of the part number, when it is in letter form, may change. And that change would signify that there's been an upgrade or a change or a running change or improvement to that board. So if you type in the correct board number, hit the search button, you can rely on the board number that comes up as being the correct board for you. All you have to do at that point in time then is order the board, follow the directions on it, and install it. You should be able to put the operator back into proper use. One of the other things that you may run into on the Sears board, if you notice, this is the circuit board, and then there's a plastic frame or casing that comes in. In some instances, on the Sears operator, this plastic case is going to be a different shape than what comes out of the box when you get it. The board will be the same. If this happens to you, then all you have to do is remove the fasteners from the board, take the old board out of the old frame, put the new board in the new frame, install it, follow the directions, put it back to work, and you should be good to go. I hope that's made it easy for you to understand how to buy a circuit board. All of our employees have been trained to help you. If you can't find the board that you need, you can't follow the reference guide and the other information that we have on our website, there's also a question and answer section of the website. You can post a question. We'll get you a good answer very quickly. Or you can just pick up the phone, call us, and have a discussion about your needs. We can bring a lot of source material to the table to solve your problem. In a worst case scenario, we can hook you up with the factory tech support people, and we can find you the board. Thank you very much.